Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on calculating the area of a rectangle, triangle or circle in Microsoft Excel. The same has been explained in this article on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link to this article in the description section. Let us understand what the formulae of the rectangle and triangle are. So the formula for a rectangle is simply length into breadth, and the formula for the area of a triangle is dividing that number by half. So the area of a triangle is length into height divided by half. In case of a triangle, we would call the breadth the height. Isn't this easy? So the formula for rectangle in Microsoft Excel becomes equal to cell width length into cell width height. You can call it height or breadth, it doesn't matter. Here's a list with the lengths mentioned in column A, heights in column B. So we need the area of rectangle in column C. Simply copy paste this formula from the article. I will copy it and paste it here, and replace cell width length with the first cell width length, which is A3, and cell width height with the first cell width the height, which is B3. Then hit enter and you will get the area of the rectangle. However, if you need to attain the results for the whole range of entries, you can use the fill function. Click on the cell once again. You will notice a dot at the right bottom corner of the selected cell. Hover your mouse over it and click on it. Without leaving the click, pull the formula down to the last cell. And here you get the area of rectangles along the range of cells. Interestingly, the area of triangle would be exactly half of this quantity. But since parameters can change and you need it exactly along the length and height, we will copy paste the formula from this article again. It should be noted that the parameters are A3 and B3 in my case. They would be different for your Excel sheet. I will replace cell width length with A3 and cell width height with B3, and then I hit enter. And as you can see, the area of triangle is exactly half. Let me use the fill function to pull it across the range. It's easy. What is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r square, and this is a well-known formula. So it becomes a little complex with Excel, but to make it easy for you, we simply created it in advance. All you need to do is copy and paste the formula here. If you wish to understand it, the value of pi is 3.14. So the formula is equal to 3.14 into cell width the radius, which is F3 here, and again cell width the radius, and hit enter. This is the area of the circle for the radius mentioned in cell F3. Lastly, I can use the fill function to pull the results down to the 11th row. Isn't this easy? If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.